I am going to turn this for-lease building into the Eric's.
What's up, Eric?
Hi, Wiley.
I would like to work here.
Okay.
Hi Eric, Wiley.
Hi, Hassan.
Can I get a job?
Sure.
Hi Eric, Wiley, and Hassan.
Hi, Gavin.
Can I get a job?
Sure.
Hi Eric, Wiley, Hassan, and Gavin.
Hi, Lucas and Gumball.
Can we get jobs?
Sure.
Here comes our first customer.
Hello, can I have a cheeseburger please?
Here you go.
Hey, that's not my cheeseburger. That's a spatula. That is totally it. I will call your parents. And Gumball and Lucas, I am calling your dads.
No, 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 no.
No, 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 no.
No 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 no.
No 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 no.
No, 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 no.
No 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 no.
Hello parents. Your kids gave me a spatula at a restaurant instead of a cheeseburger. Can you come to the Eric's to ground them? Okay then. See you there.
Eric, Wiley, Hassan, Gavin, Gumball.
Lucas.
We can't believe you boys gave Nick Comedian 1997 a spatula instead of a cheeseburger. Eric, you are grounded forever.
Wiley, you are grounded forever.
Hassan, you are grounded forever.
Gavin, you are grounded forever.
Gumball, you are grounded forever.
Lucas, you are grounded forever.
Let's go home now.